Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What are some of the ways that you can transfer energy in and out of volume control? So that's heat transfer, work, and mass transfer. Thanks for watching. Before we leave, I highly recommend we save this video. By we, I mean you. Just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. So click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once it's open, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube. Let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.